Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see on the title, we are going to be cooking together. This is my first ever cook with me video. I'm going to show you guys how to make this dish that you guys just saw. It took me about, I want to say 20 minutes to make it. So if you want to learn how I did it, please keep on watching. The dinner that I made this time was for only Evan and I and Leo. Rosa and Diego were not home. So usually if I make something like this, I'll probably have another piece of steak just so that everyone can eat comfortably and nobody is hungry. Lately I have been craving steak for some reason, and I've been making a lot of steak. I apologize for not having my steak on a pretty plate, but like I said, it was my first time filming this, so I wasn't trying to be like super fancy or nothing like that. So it is a simple night. Steak, mushrooms, mashed potatoes, and salad. As you can see, my husband, I made him cut the mushrooms. I told him cut them. He's like, "Are you serious, Leslie?" I'm like, "Yes, you're gonna help me." And he did. He's very particular about the way he cuts and makes food, either dinner, whatever it is. His breakfast, Evan's breakfast, my husband, oh, they're amazing, you guys. They take forever, but they are amazing. He really likes to cook. So I like that too. And me, I'm in charge of dinners. So we're going to use this pan for the steak, and I'm going to put some olive oil as well as some butter, and then I'll show you guys how I do it. This is the seasoning that I'll be using for the mushroom, so we'll put just a teeny bit. Honestly, I'm not that good at measurements. I just put whatever I think is fine. That is how it's going to look. What I do with the mushrooms, I pour a teeny bit of water as well, and it helps it cook faster. A little bit of butter. This is the butter that Evan gets all the time. He likes it better than the other kind. And this is how much I'm going to put in the mushrooms. I think I put a little bit too much water, but it's okay.
Hey, watch your head. Watch your head. You're really sneaky as a baby though.
Sometimes when I do not have the time to use regular garlic, I use this jar that I got from Albertsons. It is already pre-cut and it's garlic, and I put it all around my steak. It saves me a little bit of time, you guys. Time is very precious for me nowadays. I have a question. How is it that you like eating your steak? Do you like it rare? Do you like it medium? Do you like it full cook? Let me know in the comments down below. I am very interested on knowing. A lot of the times we don't have time to make salads from scratch, so this is what I buy, and it is family size. Usually we can feed everyone with this, but since tonight it's just me and Evan and Leo, I'm only gonna make half of it, or not even half, probably a little bit less than half, but I'll show you how it looks inside. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take them out and let them rest for about 10 minutes. We don't like them to be very well done. We kind of like them medium rare, so I'm going to take them out already and give them a little break.
What do you check?
This is how the mushrooms are looking. Oh, I love mushrooms. Really good. And all the water evaporated. I think I did put a little too much water at the beginning, but now it's gone. So it's perfect. Alright, so we're just going to put a little bit because there is a lot of other stuff. I just wanted some vegetables. We have mashed potatoes, mushrooms, steak, and some salad. So our pieces are perfect, but I am going to be giving Leo some steak as well. He's not gonna eat it like this, so I'm gonna put these little pieces back into the pan so that I can cook them fully.
It's just like sushi. You eat sushi, bro. Mama, I got you some squash.
Oh, she's gonna eat the mashed potatoes.
You got you some potatoes, mama.
This is perfect now for Leo. And Athena, you're going to have some mashed potatoes. Are you excited? I think she is excited. She had a little bit of ice cream today. And then Leo took over my ice cream. Right, Leo? And dinner is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's going to be for Athena. She's going to have mashed potatoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys on my next one. Bye! Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see more cook with me videos. I do have some chili that I make from scratch. It's really good and my family really loves it, so I might be able to share the secret recipe with you guys. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next one. Take care. Bye. Fun fact about Leo, he loves his vegetables. Pretty interesting, huh?